now we're going to get ready to start with this DIY covered bench that I'm going to be doing. Now on this bench, as you can see in the previous clip, I showed you that, remember the coffee table that was in this room, the big table? Well, I just had it here because I already had that table, and the table was a bit too large for the space. So I had these two benches, well, not benches, I had these two stools that I had ottomans, and since I had these two ottomans, there's no point in getting rid of them. They're perfectly fine. They just need to be recovered. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me, and I'm going to show you how I recovered these benches to fit in the room, in the library room, reading room, sitting room, whatever you want to call it. I know what I use it for. But I want to bring you along and show you how you can recover a simple little ottoman and customize it. There's that word, customize it for your space. And again, I'm going to show you the action again. Whew, alrighty. Here's the ottoman again that I'm going to be showing you for the space, and I have it turned up this particular way. Okay. I'm going to be careful because I am on some very light cream colored fabric down here, and yeah, my hands are dry. I wash them a lot because I work a lot with fabrics and things like that, and light colors as well, and with the fabrics I don't want to get oils and things on the fabrics. So and also other work that I do, I just wash my hands a lot. I do moisturize, but yeah, they are dry. Here's the ottoman, and let's get right into the video. And I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you again how I'm going to recover it and how you can do something like this if you already have it in your home and continue to reuse it instead of going out and purchasing something new. Use what you already have. And upcycle, recycle, however you want to word it, that's what it is. We're just going to reuse what we have. We need some tools for this particular project. We need a pair of scissors, some straight pins, a measuring tape, your fabric, and of course a sewing machine here. Of course, if you don't have a big work table that you can work on, I'm going to work inside the space when I'm measuring and getting ready to cut the fabric. This is the fabric that I'm going to be using. It is a nice, it's a very heavy cotton type fabric, and with a pretty good tight weave on it. Great for using it for upholstery and things like this, such as this ottoman. And I'm going to use this to cover two ottomans, and I'm also going to make a couple of pillows for the area. Again, you can see this room is pretty light and bright, and so if I want to add different colors into the room, it's easy to do that because of the neutral palette that is going on back here. You'll need your measuring tape and of course your scissors to cut your fabric, and I'm going to use my trusty measuring tape, and I'll take the dimensions of the ottoman from top to bottom, also the top portion of the ottoman, and get the width that goes all the way around the ottoman so that I know exactly how long to cut the actual fabric width to go all the way around, and then make the top, and we'll pin it all the way around and make almost a slip cover. Take it off while it's in its inside out form, and then we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew it up. So let's go ahead with the process. So 6 feet in total, and that's my length that I will use to cut my fabric from side to side. The height, I'm just going to start it from the bottom because I want to allow for a seam allowance. So now I'm just going to take my measuring tape, and I hope you can see this, and I have the fabric folded, and then I'm going to measure the 17-inch that I need for the fabric. If you want to draw on top of your fabric, you can use a chalk pencil and make little tick marks where you want to cut it. Measuring all the way down if that's what you like, if you don't have a big cutting table. Measure 6 feet in length all the way down to 6 feet and cut that off. And so it's easier when you have the fabric on a fold, so you can cut both of the ottoman sizes, the width around at the same time, because I have it on the fold. And remember, it was on the fold, so it's double. So now I have to cut it in half. Now for this particular portion, you'll take your measuring tape again, measure the length, side to side, and the width, of course. And this one is a perfect square, so I know it will be the same on all 4 sides. I'm going to cut out this portion, and this is for the top portion. Portion of the project, you're going to take your fabrics and make sure they are flipped inside out, because you're going to pin on the wrong side, because when you sew it, it will be, you know, correct. So you're going to pin from the outside in. So first we'll take our sides all the way around the entire perimeter of the piece.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor.
We'll start right at the top of the piece. And we're going to take your nifty pins, straight pins, and you'll start just pinning it all the way down.
The stormy seas, throw me in open water, let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow.
This is just a quick, easy way to do something like this. And for me, I can easily take a pin, stick it right in there, and hold the fabric in place.
We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
Then you take your top piece, and always double check and make sure you pinned it on the correct side. Check twice so you can sew once. Do the same thing, turn it on the wrong side, and you're going to pin it all the way around the perimeter of the ottoman. And I just made mine really, really large so you can see it oversized. But you can always cut all the excess away. And you continue to just pin all the way around. Now that I have it pinned all the way around, as you can see, I can take my scissors and I can cut away all the excess, just so that it just is not a lot of bulk when I get ready to take it to the sewing machine. So here I am, I'm back, and I'm all done with the ottoman. Here we go. And I'm going to show you the finished product. I have placed it on the ottoman, and it is pretty tight. I made it pretty tight so that it fits very tight all around the ottoman. And I'm going to place it where you can see it in the room. And so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you get something from it and you get motivated and get moving to possibly redo a ottoman or something in your house. Just do something with yourself. Don't sit around sedentary. Yeah, just do something. I'm just talking and rambling. Let me show you what this ottoman looks like in its place. It's been Shenell here, of course, and I'll see you in the next one. And on the next one, it will be a decorate with me for the entire space.